Hello children, chapter 7 friction, exercise 7e. Question number 1, subtract. 4 upon 5 subtract 2 upon 5. Children, in this frictions, denominator is common, that is 5. Write 5 in the denominator. Okay. In the numerator, write 4 subtract 2 equal to 4 minus 2, 2 upon 5. This is the answer. Okay. B part, 7 upon 12 subtract 5 upon 12. In this fractions 12 is common. Write 12 in the denominator. In the numerator, write 7 subtract 5. 7 minus 5, 2 upon 12. Okay. So let's 2 upon 12. Both numbers are divisible by 2. Divide by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1 upon 12 divided by 2, 6. Your answer is 1 upon 6. Okay. Next is 69 upon 75 minus 46 upon 75. Children, 75 is common. Write 75 in the denominator. Okay. (69) minus 46. Write 69, subtract 46. 9 minus 6, 3. 6 minus 4, 2. Write 23 upon 75. This is the answer. Okay. Next question is 1 upon 2 subtract 1 upon 4. Children, in this fractions denominator are not same. So that find out the LCM. Find the LCM of 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again write 2, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. LCM is 2 multiply 2, that is 4. 4 is a common denominator. Common denominator. Write 4 in the denominator. Okay. Write 4 in the denominator. Again write 4 divided by 2 multiply by 1 subtract. Again write 4 divided by 4 multiply by 1. Okay. 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Answer is 2. Write 2 multiply 1 subtract 4 divided by 4 1 multiply 1 upon में 4. 2 multiply 1 2 minus 1 multiply 1 1 upon 4. 2 minus 1 1 upon 4. This is the answer. Okay. Next question is 7 upon 24 subtract 3 upon 48. Find the LCM of 24 and 48. Children, both number are divisible by 2. 2 12 are 24. 2 24s are 48. Again write 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 12s are 24. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. Write 3 as it is. 2 3s are 6. Write 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. 16 threes are 48. Write 48. 48 is a common denominator. Write 48 in the denominator. Firstly write 48 divided by 24 multiply by 7 subtraction sign. Again write 48 divided by 48 multiply by 3. 48 divided by 24 divided by 24. 24 twos are 48. 48 minus 48 equal to 0. Your answer is 2. Write 2 multiply 7, subtract 48 divided by 48, 1 multiply 3 upon 48. 2 multiply 7, 14 minus 1 multiply 3, 3 upon 48. 14 minus 3, 11 upon 48. This is the answer. Okay. Next question is 6 upon 14 subtract 3 upon 21. Firstly, children, in this fractions denominator are not same. Find out the LCM. Find the LCM of 14 and 21. Okay. 2 sevens are 14, 21 as it is because it is not divisible by 2. Write 3, 7 as it is, 3 sevens are 21, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Okay. LCM of 14 and 21 is 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Children, 42 is a common denominator. Write 42 in the denominator. Like this. Again write 42 divided by 14 multiply by 6 subtract, write 42 divided by 21 multiply by 3. Okay. 42 divided by 14. 42 divided by 14. Children, 14 3s are 42. Subtract 0. Answer is 3. Write 3 multiply 6 subtract 42 divided by 21. Write 21. 21 2s are 42. 42 minus 42 equal to 0. Answer is 2. Write 2 multiply 3 upon May 42. Okay. 3 multiply 6, 18. Subtract 2 multiply 3, 6 upon 42. 18 minus 6 equal to 12 upon 42. Okay. Children, both number are divisible by 6. 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. 42 divided by 6 equal to 7. Your answer is 2 upon 7. Okay. Next question number 2. Find 3 minus 6 upon 8. Children, 3 upon 1 minus 6 upon 8. Find out the LCM of 1 and 8. LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. Write 8 in the denominator. 8 divided by 1 multiply by 3 subtract, again write 8 divided by 8 multiply by 6. 8 divided by 1, 8 multiply 3 minus 8 divided by 8, 1 multiply 6 upon May 8. 8 multiply 3 equal to 24 minus 1 multiply 6, 6 upon 8. 24 minus 6 equal to 18 upon 8. Children, both number are divisible by 2. 18 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2, 9. 8 divided by 2, 4. Your answer is 9 upon 4. Okay. Now change into mixed number. 9 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 1 is a remainder. Write 1, 2, 4. This is the answer. Next question is 7 minus 4 upon 6. This is 7 upon 1. Okay. Write the LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. Write 6 in the denominator. Again write 6 divided by 1 multiply by 7 minus 6 divided by 6 multiply by 4. equal to 6 divided by 1, 6 multiply 7 minus 6 divided by 6, 1 multiply 4 upon 6. 6 multiply 7, 42 minus 1 multiply 4, 4 upon 6. 42 minus 4, answer is 38 upon 6. Since both number are divisible by 2, divided by 2. 38 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Write down 8. 2 nines are 18. 18 minus 18 equal to 0. Answer is 19. Write 19 upon 6 divided by 2. 2 threes are 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Answer is 3. Write 3. Answer is 19 upon 3. Okay. Change into mixed fraction. 19 divided by 3. Children, 3 6 are 18. 19 minus 18, 1. Write 1 6 upon 3. Okay. Next question is 10 minus 2 upon 3. Find the LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. Write 3 in the denominator. Again write 3 divided by 1, multiply by 10, subtract, write 3 divided by 3, multiply by 2. 3 divided by 1, 3. Multiply 10 minus 3 divided by 3, 1 multiply 2 upon 3. 3 multiply 10, 30 minus 1 multiply 2, 2 upon 3. 30 minus 2, 28 upon 3. 28 upon 3. Change into mixed number. Write 28, 3. 3 nines are 27. 8 minus 7, 1. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. 1 is a remainder. Write in mixed number. 1, 9 upon 3. This is the answer. Okay. Next question number 3. Simplify. 3, 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. Firstly change into improper fraction. 3, 3 upon 4. Write 4 in the denominator. In the numerator, write 4 multiply 3. 4 multiply 3. Add 3. Okay. 4 multiply 3. 12 plus 3 upon 4. 12 plus 3. 15 upon 4. That is 15 upon 4 subtract 1 upon 2. Children, in this fractions denominator are not same. Find out the LCM. Find the LCM of 4 and 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 as it is. LCM is 2 multiply 2. That is 4. 4 is a common denominator. Write 4 in the denominator. Again write 4 divided by 4. Multiply by 15. Minus again write 4 divided by 2. Multiply by 1. Okay. 4 divided by 4. 1 multiply 15. Minus 4 divided by 2. 2 multiply 1 upon 4. 1 multiply 15, 15 minus 2 multiply 1, 2 upon 4. 15 minus 2, 13 upon 4. Children, change into mixed number. 13 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 is a remainder. Write in mixed number. Firstly write remainder, then write quotient upon में 4 is a divisor. This is the answer. Okay. Next is 4 1 upon 2 minus 1 4 upon 5. Firstly change into improper fraction. 4 1 upon 2. Write 2 in the denominator. In the numerator, 2 multiply 4. Add 1. 2 multiply 4. 8 plus 1 upon 2. 8 plus 1. 9 upon 2. Okay. Next is 1 4 upon 5. Write 5 in the denominator. In the numerator, 5 multiply 1, add 4. 5 multiply 1, 5 plus 4 upon 5. 5 plus 4, 9 upon 5. Your fraction is 9 upon 2 and 9 upon 5. That is 9 upon 2 subtract 9 upon 5. Okay. Since in this fractions denominator are not same, find out the LCM. Find the LCM of 2 and 5. Two ones are 2, 5 as it is, 5 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5. LCM is 2 multiply 5, that is 10. 10 is a common denominator. Write 10 in the denominator. 10 divided by 2 multiply by 9 minus, again write 10 divided by 5 multiply by 9. 10 divided by 2, 5 multiply 9, subtract 10 divided by 5, 2 multiply 9 upon 10. 5 multiply 9, 45 minus 2 multiply 9, 18 upon 10. 45 subtract 18. 5 minus 8. Children, 5 is smaller than 8. 4 से बोरो लेंगे 3 और यहाँ पे 15 minus 8 equal to 7. 3 minus 1, 2. 27 upon 10. Change into mixed number. 27 divided by 10. 10 to the 20. 7 minus 0, 7. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Write in mixed number. That is 7, 2 upon 10. Okay. Next question is 8 4 upon 5 minus 2 2 upon 5. Firstly change into improper fraction. So let's write 5 as it is in the denominator. In the numerator, write 5 multiply 8 add 4. 5 multiply 8, 40 plus 4 upon 5. 40 plus 4, 44 upon 5. Okay. Similarly, write 2 2 upon 5. Write 5 in the denominator as it is. In the numerator, firstly write 5 multiply 2 add 2. 5 multiply 2, 10 plus 2 upon 5. 10 plus 2, 12 upon 5. It means 44 upon 5 subtract 12 upon 5. Children's denominator are same. Write 5 as it is in the denominator. 44 minus 12 equal to 44 minus 12. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. That is 32 upon 5. Okay. Change into mixed number. 32 divided by 5. 5 6 is 30. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Write in mixed number 2 6 upon 5. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks. 2 upon 6 minus 0. Children, you know that if you subtract 0 from a number, the difference is number itself. So that your answer is 2 upon 6 as it is. Similarly, 6 5 upon 9 minus 0, your answer is 6 5 upon 9. Dash minus 0 equal to 13 upon 5. 13 upon 5 subtract 0, your answer is 13 upon 5. 6 upon 8 minus dash equal to 6 upon 8. 6 upon 8 minus 0 equal to 6 upon 8. Next is 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 equal to 0. 11 upon 6 minus dash equal to 0. 11 upon 6 minus 11 upon 6 equal to 0. Next is 6 upon 9 subtract 6 upon 9 equal to 0. 2 3 upon 5 minus 2 3 upon 5 equal to 0. 3 9 upon 18 subtract 0. Your answer is 3 9 upon 18 as it is. Okay. Thank you.